morning, boys. Hope everything is going well. Today we have quite a video planned, I guess. You know, right now we are heading to a car show and we're meeting up with one of my other friends, and I'm gonna sit there. It's more like a car show. There's like a lot of cars there. And then either later today, tomorrow, or sometime this week, me and Petey are gonna be cooking eggs on my Supercharger. You might be wondering, how exactly do you get this idea? Because, you know, it's more like a random idea. And so if you know, in my last video, we were doing pulls with the car and we put an ice bag on it. We put an ice bag on the Supercharger to help cool it down. And in the comments of one of my TikToks, I had somebody tell me that they were able to cook food or something. I don't know if it was eggs or if it was something else, but they were able to cook food on their Supercharger. And I was like, you know what? That's not even a bad idea, because, you know, it gets really hot and there's literally like a place where I could put a pan on the Supercharger and it would sit. So, random experiment, really weird, but I think I'm gonna try it out for sure. I don't know how much I'll be able to show down there because they're playing copyrighted music, but yeah, bro, I'll go down there. I think what I might end up having to do is honestly just make a montage of all the cars, but you know, yeah. I don't know how much of this I'll actually like be able to show just because of the music, but I'll show as much as I can. And honestly, I might just make like a montage of it, but I'll show you all the cool stuff and, you know, whatever. C8 Z06, right? Now, this is just my opinion on the C8s. I would only get a C8 if it was a Z06 or up. I don't think I would get the base model C8. It's my section. We got all the foreign cars. The Audis are over here. I don't want to go too far over there because of the music, but yeah, this is my section. I think it's Isle of Man green. This would be Dream Spec M3. So one of my personal dream Audis would be the RS7. Now, the only other Audis I would get right now is the B 9.5 S5 or an RS7, and I don't have either of those money. But honestly, I feel like if you're getting anything besides those, like the money it's not really worth it for the amount of money it costs. I don't know. And honestly, I was talking to someone else that like is a full Audi fan, and they were like, yeah, honestly, bro, BMW owns the mid price range for cars, you know, like I don't know, they do. But let me go and show you some of these RS7s because they are beautiful. All right, well, my friend Max is pulling up now, so I will see you guys when the cars are leaving. I might get more videos like if they're rev bombing because they do that a lot. So I'll see you guys when the cars are leaving or whenever, honestly. But yeah. back in the car. Car meet's over. Seeing those cars, RS7s, green cars, Corvette, like C6 Corvettes. I need one so bad. Like, I need one so bad. I need one. But yeah, so it's 11:50 right now. We need gas. I'm gonna run to the gas station, then go home and grab something to eat. And I'll see you guys after that. All right, we're getting gas. My guess is, what is it? It's gonna stop on $57. The car is pretty dirty. Needs to get a bath. It'll get a bath this weekend. But like, bro, seeing these cars and how many people have them and just all the different types of cars, not even just the RS7, like every car in general, it makes me realize like it's so achievable. You just gotta work for it. That's literally anything in life. You just gotta work for it. One day, I'll have one day. But I do love my car. I love my car. I was leaving, and yeah, I don't know. I love my car, but one day, I want an RS7. Well, it was not even close. It was $50. And normally when I fill up, it's like close to 60, if not 60. But I had like 75 miles left. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and then I'll have to figure out the plan after that. All right, boys, it is Monday. We are back. We've got Petey here, and we're gonna be attempting to cook eggs on my car's supercharger. And what better place to do that instead of a Target parking lot? So I'm gonna let the pan sit on the supercharger. I think the coolant temperatures are sitting at like 210 right now because I just drove it kind of hard to try and get it a little heated up. But there's even a little placemat for the pan. We've got 2 eggs. I might try and cook the first one. I might just try and cook one at a time, you know, so that it's like easier. But I'm gonna let the pan get hot and I'm gonna start cooking, and hopefully some people ask me what the hell I'm doing. All right, so we're trying to trap the heat in here. It's gotten kind of hot, but I want it to be like burning before I put the egg on so it cooks easier, because I think if I put the egg on when it's too cold, it will like not cook at all. So I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes. All right, so we've got the egg. It is kind of burning hot. I think it will work. But I don't have a spatula or anything, so I'm just gonna crack it and then flip it with the pan. So, all right, so the handle is burning hot, so I got a tissue so I can crack the egg on it, but I hope it doesn't get, oh, this is gonna get all over my car, bro.
Nah.
This is so stupid. Oh, it's cooking. It's cooking. Hold on. Ow, that's hot. All right, I think it might somewhat cook if we just like leave it. If I rev the car, you think it will fall?
No. I'll watch it.
You better grab that if it does.
Give me the...
You think I should close it in my cup? All right, so it didn't go as planned at all. This is the best that it looks, and it's bad. It's bad. I'm hoping that when I take this home, I can wash it off of the pan, because, yo, if I had a spatula, it'd be cooked, but it's not. It's just stuck to the pan. If I had a spatula, I think it'd be good though. But honestly, I think that's the best it's getting, for now at least, because it's not cooking anymore. All right, well, we're home. And yeah, if you were wondering if you can cook eggs on your car's supercharger, my guess is if I had a spatula, I would say yes. But I mean, they all kind of just are caked on there now, so I'm gonna have to go clean that for like 10 minutes. But I think if you had a spatula, I think it is definitely hot enough. And if you could like mix it up and keep it from not sticking, I think it would definitely work. But yeah, I mean, before I end this video, I mean, Christmas is coming up in a little over a month, and I want to wrap this thing in Christmas lights. Now, I don't know how exactly you do that. I know you have to get like a 12 volt, like something. I don't even know what it is, but it's able to hook up into the back of your car, and you are able to connect it to the Christmas lights. And yeah, I think that's what will power the entire car. But let me know if you guys think I should do it. It is going to be kind of costly. I don't know how many lights I'll need, and it's definitely an all-day project. This is definitely a, weekend project. But yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see that for Christmas. And if you have any other ideas for Christmas, let me know, because I will definitely do them. And if you have any other ideas in general. But yeah, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more car show content, because I haven't done that before and I enjoy going to it. I just haven't really ever had time. But if you guys want to see more of that, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't, like, subscribe, and I'll see you.